What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Fishing with Frank YouTube channel. Today I'm at the creek that I fish at, and I'm gonna attempt to do some winter creek fishing, I guess. And yeah, I'm here solo today, but feeling lucky. It's, you know, towards the end of February, nice little day out. It's like 50s, so I'm hoping that gets the fish a little more active. And yeah, water conditions look good, so we'll see if I can catch anything. Don't forget to use code FishingWithFrank_ on lawlesslures.com. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I guess so. To begin, I have on this, I think it is called Avocado Red Fluke from Zoom. It's a nice, you know, green and red color. I think it'll work good for spring, but I'm gonna try it out now because I picked it up thinking it looked pretty good, and yeah, see how it does. As you guys know, also this spot is really good for flukes, and you know, I figured this should work just as well as all the other ones I've used here. I might actually try to go for a more natural looking lure because this water is a lot clearer than I thought it would be. If this fluke doesn't work out, I might try for like a square bill, try to get the reaction bite going a little bit. That was a terrible cast. I'm feeling good, but it's definitely going to be a tough day out here because, like I said, it's February, so the water temperature has been low. Oh, I thought there was a fish. Really just gotta find that right spot where they're all sitting. It's the hardest part. I'm gonna try something different. I should try jig, but I figure it might be a little too intimidating. So I'm gonna try probably a crawl. I'm gonna try the junior edition of the Crack and Crawl Blue Baby. That's what I have on already, but this lure is old. Looks alright. We'll try it. We'll give it a try. Oh, I almost fell. You can definitely feel the bottom a lot more on this. Sorry if I'm not too talkative, guys. I'm not really used to talking to a camera just yet. Usually I have, you know, somebody else with me, but nobody else can make it today. There's a snag right in the middle there. I keep thinking it's a fish. Try that little pocket over there. Right into the tree. Leave it to me. Gonna try this way. I am so bad today. That's not coming out. It did. Well. Yeah, I'm a little rusty still. It's been, I mean, other than last week, it's been a while. Or 2 weeks ago, whenever that was. Yeah, like I keep saying, this is a very difficult day. Usually, you can see where all the top water is going and try to cast over where all it's going down. But there's nothing going on today. So, a little tough. Like, I don't see anything going on. Might move a little more upstream here in a little bit. Try like 1 or 2 more casts and then see what happens. Try it right there. I was thinking about doing a mystery box challenge, but I don't really want to waste it on today. Go. Maybe right here. Yeah, I'll try right here. Oh. The hooks fell. First I'm gonna try out the crawl again over here. See if I can get any luck. Oops, already hung in the tree. I haven't even casted yet. Hit the tree. There's a wake right here, so already more action over here than there was the original spot I was at. Hopefully they just see the lure and decide to bite it. I think I felt something tug, but it could have just been a snag. Yeah, that's all it is. I want to get a cast to the other side, but I don't think it's going to happen. I stand corrected. This water seems to be a little bit darker too. I don't know. It might just be the shadows. I don't know if they can necessarily see my lure over here as well as the other spot. Alright guys, we're back. Battery died. I don't know what the last thing you guys saw was, but I'm gonna try the Fluke. There is nothing in this water today. I'm gonna move back to where I was. I might try swim bait though. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna try. I'm gonna rig it up now while I'm here. Yeah, this is like a little it's called boss shad. I don't know the size. Yeah, but I picked them up. Figure they should be good for, you know, around this time. Try to get something going. This might even be a little too light for this combo I have, but it's worth a shot. Get all tied up. Let's try some let's try a swim lure or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, you guys should let me know what kind of videos you want to see. It's kind of tough to think of ideas right now for the winter, at least because fishing is hard, so I don't really know what to do. See if I can even cast this thing. Barely. I feel like this honestly has the best chance out of everything to catch something. It's to the point where anything will bite. I'll take a nice little bluegill right now. Oh, I think I snagged on something. I felt like I had a fish. I was about to get really excited. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today. Hope you guys somehow enjoyed watching me fail at catching a fish today. I mean, you guys saw this already, but it was a tough day. The water's still kind of cold. And yeah, I just don't really know what to use in winter. Yeah, use code FishingWithFrank _ on lawlesslures.com. Save 15% store wide. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Ice pop, bomb pop.